how's it going? So today my new lips are in and my face is back. So I should be able to rebuild the front to my car and get them installed. I know I kind of did grow my facial hair out a little bit. It's okay, because I'm gonna be cutting it coming up real soon. But without being said, let's get this box open, see if these new lips fit the faces, because I had to send one off to VR, and get this rebuild going. I've been waiting a very long time for this. The first ones I actually got, and I started to make a video and it was wrong. So let's hope the second set is right. So as we reveal it open, there we go. Hey, where's my face? What the? Oh, that better be my face down there. I was gonna say, whoo! These should be my new bolts. The other ones did not fit. VR Wheels probably got real tired of hearing me email them, but that was the only way to contact them, and I was very excited and kind of impatient because it took too long, in my opinion, for my lips to get here. Someone out there here, I'm sorry, but I appreciate you guys' works. So there goes the lip, and I should have my face back in here. Nice. Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all unraveled and start the rebuild process. Alright, so here goes the face, the barrel, and the new lip. So before, they sent me a set of lips that kind of didn't match. Now my carving heads mount on the top. So mine will mount like this, all the holes are lined up, and my face will sit on top of it. Now it's really a tight fit and I don't want to scratch everything, so I'm gonna put the camera down, put the face in there, and let you guys see how it looks. So that's how it'll look when it sits in there. So now my rear, this barrel is about 4 inches and this new one is 5 inches. So my old wheel, that's 10.5. That is a 4-inch barrel and a 6.5-inch lip. So that's what makes it 10.5. And then I downgraded to 4-inch barrel, kept the same, to a 5-inch lip. Now hopefully that'll fit on stock body on my LS. If not, I'm gonna do a lot of rolling and body work. Alright, so all the bolts are in, and I'm gonna sit here and tighten them all down, which I didn't find out which tool it was. Okay, so the gold is an 8. I'm gonna put that on here. And the back is a 10. So I'm gonna flip this up sideways, and I'm gonna go in a circular pattern all around, and hopefully I can get this done. Jeez, it's really damn hot out here. But I pulled the other ones out this box right here, so I got them all 3 out. These are the 2 I cleaned in the old video. This is one I'm gonna rebuild right here with the new lip right there. Now, this is the one that I just put all the bolts in and is kind of ready to get sealed up. But I'm gonna seal them both up at the same time. So I'm gonna get this one up right here and go ahead and change it out. And hopefully by Sunday, Monday, I can put the tires on. I thought about putting the tires on the other 2 right there because those are gonna be a different size. Those are about 10.5, and these ones are gonna be by I think like 9. So I can technically go put those tires on today. I don't know. So let me bring over this one that I just got done putting the hardware on and show you guys the difference from the 10.5 to the new 9 now. So I'm gonna go grab that. So I'm not taking the plastic off until I get to the tire shop, but it's only that much difference. If I want to back up a little bit, you can see that that's barely bigger, but as you can see, it's bigger. Alrighty, let's grab this one, get it ready. Whew, hot. So the first thing that I would do is I'm gonna grab the Allen key and the 10-inch, is it a 10? I think it's an 8, they're smaller, but go ahead and start taking these apart. Alright, so all the bolts and the face is out of here. See, it's still here with the silicone. So I really don't have a good razor now, but I'm gonna take this little blade I got right here and I'm just gonna cut it. Cause them prices way too high, I need to cut it. Round. Ugh, motherfucking strong. I'm gonna take this blade, I'm gonna clean it up, just all the extra top stuff that's high. And I'm gonna take my steel wool and I'm gonna sit here and clean this all up. Hopefully I don't have to move this because I don't have any replacements for it. So I'm gonna try to keep that clean as possible, get around it, make sure it's sealed and don't come up. Sweet, so I got my drill, which is a plug-in one. I got my glasses on for protection. And I'm just gonna go over it lightly. I'm not gonna go really deep or hard because I don't want it to get like any pits in there or uneven wear, so lightly. So all of the wire brushing is done, and the purpose of that is so that this can get a clean, good connection, or should I say like a seal when it's about to be sealed. I will run some brake cleaner in here to get any like dust or dirt off of there, but for right now I'm just gonna match the face and lip up on here and put the bolts in, run to Home Depot, get me some caulking to put in here. So let's get that on there, go Home Depot and hurry up and get these sealed up today. Day 2. So I got the wheels all together. I'm about to now start to seal it with this sealer right here. Also, I had to go rent out a torque wrench. These bolts are supposed to be tied down to 18 pounds, and then I'm gonna seal it up. So it's gonna take a while to torque all these down to specs, so I'm not gonna film that, but I'll show you guys when I mask up and I tape up these wheels and lip and start to seal them. Sweet. So I got the bolts all in on actually both wheels. I actually went ahead and jumped the gun and I already sealed up one wheel. So I will seal up this right here. As you can see, I put tape on both sides, and what you want to do, you want to get a nice fine bead in there and smooth it all out so it's stuck on, and it should be good. I don't have my tripod no more and I have nowhere to set the camera at, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this bead on and I'll show you guys the end results. Ready? Go. And this is how it looks when it's done. Okay, so I've never rebuilt 3-piece wheels or any wheels at all. I haven't even been around someone who's done it. I just got everything word of mouth. I watched a few videos and I shoot my shot just now. So hopefully it comes out good. I don't have no leaks or anything like that, and it's mounted properly, because I know if you just went in a circle pattern, it might kind of come out lopsided. So I did do a star pattern first, then I went and did a circle, and then I did a star with the torque wrench, and then I torqued them all down in a circle. So that's how both of them are, and that's exactly how both of them are gonna come out. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 24 hours, and I'll check it tomorrow, and hopefully it's good, and I can go put some wheels on. This Texas heat is hot. It's real hot. Like, it just rained. Now all of a sudden it gets real muggy, so you know. I moved the car inside because it did rain. As you can see, I got my rear tint done. Pretty happy about that. I did the first one myself, and it came out horrible. But 10 times better. I really enjoyed it. I like it a lot. I'm real happy. If you guys seen something in my video that was wrong with me rebuilding these wheels, comment down below.